Welcome to our guide on fixing high ping in Valorant. High ping can significantly impact your gameplay, making it frustrating and less enjoyable. Let's dive into why it matters and how it affects your performance. The first step in troubleshooting high ping is checking your internet speed. Use online tools like speed tests to measure your ping, download, and upload speeds. This can help identify any underlying issues with your connection. Next, choosing the right server is crucial. Select a server that is geographically closer to your location to reduce latency. In-game, check the server options and pick the one that gives you the best ping. Did you know that using a wired connection can dramatically lower your ping? Wired connections have less interference compared to wireless signals. If you're serious about reducing lag, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Another essential tip is to optimize your router settings. Access your router's configuration page to reduce bandwidth-heavy applications, prioritize gaming traffic, and ensure your firmware is up to date. Close any background applications that might be consuming your bandwidth. Programs like streaming services or downloads can slow down your internet speed while gaming. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to connection issues, including high ping. Check your device manufacturer's site for the latest drivers. In some cases, using a VPN can help in reducing ping by rerouting your connection through a more efficient path. However, it can also increase ping, so it's essential to test this option carefully. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact your ISP. They can provide insight into any issues with your connection and suggest solutions to improve your gaming experience. To recap, if you're struggling with high ping in Valorant, remember to check your speed, choose the right server, use wired connections, optimize settings, close background apps, update your drivers, consider a VPN, and reach out to your ISP. With these steps, you'll be on your way to a smoother gaming experience.